Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your science class for grade 6. This is the part B of the video notebook work. Now open your science notebook. You start from the left side of your page. You write date, classwork day, unit number, unit name and topic name. For words meaning you make two columns, first for the words and second for the meanings. Words meanings are मिल्की वे, तारों का तवील सिलसिला, इलिप्टिकल, बेजवी, कोमेट, दमदार सितारा, इक्लिप्स, गिरहन, गैलेक्सीज, कहकशाएं. For the next topic, you again write date, class work day, unit number and unit name. Short question answers. Question number 1, what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a huge mass of stars. How big is the universe? Universe is so big that it contains 100 billion galaxies and scientists had to invent a new unit to measure it. What is the difference between a luminous and a non-luminous object? Luminous objects reflect light, non-luminous objects do not. Explain how the planets are held in orbit around the sun. All the planets and other bodies revolving around the sun are held in orbit by the force of gravity. Question number 5. Explain why is it dark at night? Nighttime falls when our part of the earth faces away from the sun, where there is no light. At what angle is the earth tilted? At 23 degrees. What is an eclipse? An eclipse takes when one planet or moon blocks off light from another. What have computers helped astronomers? Computers help to generate high quality images from the telescope. Long question answers. Explain why we have leap years. Since the earth takes 365.25 days to orbit the sun, we cannot have quarter of a day at the end of each calendar. So the quarters are added together to produce an extra day every 4 years. Years have an extra day are called leap years. Question number 2. Describe summer and winter. The part of the earth which is tilted towards the sun receives more lights and is warmer before it experiences summer. The part of the earth which is tilted away from the sun receives less light, is colder, therefore will be having the winter season. Question number 3. Describe the relative position of the sun, earth and moon during solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. During a solar eclipse, the moon passes between the earth and the sun. As a result, the light from the sun is hidden and the moon appears to us as a black disk surrounded by a halo of bright light. During a lunar eclipse, earth is positioned between the moon and the sun. The moon is dim as the shadow of the earth moves across the face of the moon. Now open your books, page number 145. Question number 1, multiple choice questions. Which of these is the center of our solar system? Sun. Our solar system is a part of a galaxy called Milky Way. In a solar eclipse, following is eclipsed moon. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Which of these planets does not have rings? Earth. Question number 2. True, false. A light year is a distance traveled by the light in 1 year. True. Earth belongs to Milky Way where there is only one star. False. We can see the other planets in our solar system from the earth because they absorb light from the sun. False. The further a planet from the sun, the faster it travels so it can stay in the same position. False. Moons are satellites and all planets in our solar system have them. False. Page number 145. Complete the following using the word from the list. The universe contains everything that exists. Planet Earth is just a tiny part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. Our galaxy is only one of the many star systems scattered throughout the universe. Each galaxy contains millions of stars. Galaxies are far apart. Scientists have estimated that the universe contains 100 billion galaxies. It is so big that it is measured in light years. This measurement is the distance that light travels in 1 year, moving at 300,000 km per second. This is the end of your book work and the end of unit number 10. अल्लाह हाफिज़।